Good morning, sir. My name is C. Govindra Rajul and I am studying in your college in second BTech, second SEM in a CSE branch. And today I am discussing about the structure of page tables. First of all, introduction to page tables. Page tables are crucial components of virtual memory managing in operating system. They map virtual address to physical addresses, enabling efficient memory utilization. Understanding page tables is essential for grasping how modern systems managing memory. So page tables in a operating system, these are very important, and while defining any algorithms or programs, these can be plays a major role in this operating system. Then purpose of page tables. This primary purpose of page tables is translate virtual address into physical addresses. This transaction allows processors to operate in their own memory space, enhancing security and stability. So these page tables also facilitate the sharing of physical memory among different processors. This look at the page and page frames. You have 0 and 9 page frames, 1 and 1 and 2 and 14. Likewise, this can be divided into pages into page frames. These can be addresses into a physical addresses. These are very important in operating system. So structure of a page table. A page table is typically organized as an array of entries, each representing a page. Each entry in the table holds information about a corresponding page, such as its frame numbers. So here page table entry, we have see the diagram. So optional information first of all, then we have frame numbers, present, protection, reference and catching and dirty. These are the steps involved in the page tables entries. So additional flags like present or absent bits are also stored to manage memory access. Page table entries components. Some of the page table components are: a page table entries includes the frame numbers where the page resides in the physical memory. So it may contains status bits such as a valid, dirty, accessed and permission bits. So this memory of these stored in the bits form zeros and ones, or these bits are various types we have discussed in the last slide. So the structure of the page table entry can vary depending on the architecture and specific memory management requirements. So types of page tables. They have the several types of page tables that are including single level and multi-level page tables. Multi-level page tables helps reduce memory, breaking the table into smaller manageable parts. Inverted page tables used to different structures, whereas each entry corresponds to a physical frame instead of a virtual page. This we can see the diagrams, disk storage and main memory. These are the some of the examples for page tables, and these can be divided into various types. So multi-level page tables. So multi-level page tables consist of multiple layers that helps reduce the memory footprint. The first level point to second level table, which it turns to point to actual frame numbers. This hierarchical structure allows for dynamic allocation of memory for a large address spaces. Advantages of the page tables. Page tables provide efficiency memory management and eliminate the needs for the continuous memory allocations. They enable the implementation of virtual memory, allowing processors to use more and more memory physically available. This use of page tables simplifies the management of shared and private memory among the processors. These memory management techniques are two types: contiguous and non-contiguous. In this contiguous divided into fixed partition scheme and variable partition scheme. Challenges in page tables management. Managing page tables can be introduced overhead, especially in the system with the large address spaces. Page tables looks can be becomes perform bottlenecks if not optimized properly, and techniques like paging, segmentation, and caching are often employed, mitigated these challenges. Finally, I conclude that the structure of the page tables is vital for effective virtual memory management in a computer system. Understanding its components and types provides insight into operating system design and performance. As technology advances, page tables management continues to adapt to meet the needs of modern applications. Thank you, sir.